around the world with the spring balloon of Hill Cove. Once upon a time, there was a quiet little town called Hill Cove in the Falkland Islands, a small bunch of islands located close to the South American coast. On a bright Sunday morning, the people of Hill Cove had all gathered on the open hillside to celebrate the start of spring. And they had decided to send a hot air balloon up in the sky to say thank you to the sun, the sky, and the fresh air of spring for the wonderful weather to come. So they decorated this beautiful hot air balloon and released it to float up gently towards the sky. And the townsfolk looked up at the balloon floating away peacefully, wondering what wonderful sights it would see and what amazing places it would pass over. And thus began the balloon's journey across the world. As the balloon floated across the continent of South America, it soon came to pass over the Incan citadel of Machu Picchu, located high up in the Andes Mountains in the country of Peru. Machu Picchu was built in year 1450 and is often considered one of the new wonders of the world. It is known for its amazing stone wall architecture. The balloon continued to move further north and soon reached the continent of North America. As it went over the North American continent, it passed over the breathtaking Niagara Falls, forming a natural border between the countries of Canada and USA. The Niagara Falls are thought to be over 12,000 years old. The falls are a combination of 3 different waterfalls and are used to produce hydroelectricity. The balloon continued its journey beyond Canada across the Labrador Sea and was soon flying over the beautiful island of Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island and it is a territory of Denmark. Greenlanders receive 24 hours of sunlight in summer and complete darkness in winter. Around 50,000 Eskimos, also known as Inuit, still live across Greenland. Polar bears, walruses, reindeers, Arctic foxes, whales, and many other species of Arctic animals and birds are found in Greenland. After Greenland, the winds turned the balloon towards the south, closer to the Earth's equator. The balloon floated above the ocean across the night sky towards the continent of Europe. And by morning, it was flying over the wonderful city of Paris in France. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is one of the most iconic landmarks whose height changes with the seasons. It is said that the Eiffel Tower will be painted gold for the Olympic Games being held in Paris in 2024. As the balloon bid adieu to the iconic Paris skyline, it moved closer to the equator, the imaginary line that divides the Earth into 2 equal hemispheres. And then the balloon made its way across the Mediterranean Sea to reach the skies of Egypt in the continent of Africa. The pyramids of Giza are one of the 7 ancient wonders of the world, built over 4,600 years ago. They are the tombs built for the kings and queens of Egypt, known as the pharaohs. It took almost 25 years, 30,000 people, and 2.3 million stone blocks to build them. The Sphinx, a structure with the head of a man and the body of a lion, was built as a protector of the pyramids. And moving away from the ancient pyramids, the balloon continued to glide over the African continent. The balloon flew over the Serengeti in Tanzania. The Serengeti National Park in Tanzania is considered a prehistoric wonder and home to huge herds of animals like zebras, wildebeests, gazelles, and others. Over 3,000 lions and 2,000 elephants reside across the Serengeti. And from the Serengeti, the winds took the balloon across the Indian Ocean onto the continent of Asia, the largest continent on Earth. And on the other side of the Indian Ocean, the balloon glided over the vibrant and beautiful country of India and made its way to the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan almost 400 years ago and is considered one of the 7 new wonders of the world. Over 22,000 people worked on the construction of this monument. And the balloon kept going from one great monument to another one and crossed the border of India and made its way over to the Great Wall of China, located in China, the biggest country on earth. The Great Wall of China is one of the 7 new wonders of the world. It took over 2,000 years to build and is over 20,000 kilometers long. It is the largest man-made structure ever built. And from the largest man-made structure to another prehistoric natural remnant, the balloon kept going till it reached Mount Fuji, an active volcano and the tallest mountain in Japan, the land of the rising sun. Mount Fuji, over 3.7 kilometers tall, last erupted over 300 years ago and is still considered an active volcano. It is believed to have formed almost 1 lakh years ago. And leaving the wondrous sight of Mount Fuji, the balloon glided over the Philippine Sea for many days and finally reached the continent and country of Australia. The balloon made its way over the middle of the country that also has the Australian outback, a vast, remote and dry area that covers a whopping 81% of the country. The red rock monolith called Uluru in the outback is said to be over 550 million years old and is taller than the Eiffel Tower. Many unique animals like bilbies, dunnarts, kangaroos, wallabies and dingoes are found across the Australian outback. And from the dry vastness of the Australian outback, the balloon moved further south, closer to the South Pole across the Indian Ocean, and reached the 7th and final continent on its long journey, the continent of Antarctica, home to the South Pole. The South Pole is the southernmost point on Earth and has only one sunrise in September and one sunset in March every year. The South Pole is colder than the North Pole. And as the balloon moved away from the seventh and last continent of Earth, flying over penguins and crossing the South Atlantic Ocean, it soon felt familiar winds. The balloon was heading back to its home base, the town of Hill Cove at the Falkland Islands. The balloon had returned home after traveling all over the world, and it had been gone for so long that Hill Cove had been transformed into a snowy wonderland. The people of Hill Cove were thrilled to see their spring balloon back. If only the balloon could speak, it could tell them about all the wondrous sights it saw on its journey around the world.